Hey friends, today we're going to be resetting a Garmin Vivosmart HR. You can see the model number basically right there. And basically it's a really simple process. If you have the Garmin Vivosmart without the HR or the Plus model, it's going to work basically the exact same way. Now what we're going to do, and again, this is just a simple reset. There's also a reset that does, we'll reset this back to factory defaults. I'll link a video in the description box below, and we'll be doing that next. But for this video, again, this is just going to be a simple reset. Maybe your screen is stuck or you're not able to sync your device with your phone. Make sure that you do a backup before you do this reset function, as you may lose all of your data for that day. So to do this, all we're going to do is hold down our button right here for 10 to 12 seconds. So press it down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So about 12 seconds there. You can see, again, don't respond to the messages that are on there. Simply hold it down until you see the screen completely disappear like that. Now that it's off, we're going to hit that button again, hold it for 1 second, and it'll come back on. Once you do that, you're going to come up with a reset screen here. You need to reset the time again. Okay, once we have our screen back up here, we'll go ahead and do a sync with our phone and get our data and our steps back up for the day. As you can see, again, really easy. That's the quick reset option. If you're still having problems and you want to do, maybe you're selling the watch, you want to do a full factory reset, I'm going to make a video on that now. I'll put a link again in the description box below. Thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you again soon. Hit that subscribe button. We've got lots of tech, Fitbit, and other smartwatch tutorials coming up soon.